If you want to see more topics, then check the playlist section of this channel. In this video, we will see an example on impedance combinations question for the circuit in figure. Calculate ZT and VAB. Here for this circuit, we have to find its total impedance, that is ZT, and this voltage VAB. Solution. First of all, we will copy the given circuit from here, or we can redraw it. Now here we can see these two are in series and these two are in series and both are in parallel. So here we can write this 20 minus J5 ohm is in parallel with 40 plus 10J. 40 plus 10J ohm. Now we will simplify this. So it will be equal to 20 minus J5 multiplied with 40 plus 10J divided by 20 minus J5 plus 40 plus 10J. Now if we solve this, then we get 20 minus J into 5 multiplied with 40 plus 10 into J divided by 20 minus J into 5, then plus 40 plus 10 into J. It is equal to this much, 14.06 minus 1.17 J ohm. So this is the value of total impedance ZT. Here we can write, therefore total impedance ZT is equal to this value. Then next we have to find the value of VAB. So to find this VAB is equal to this voltage. This node voltage is, let's say it is VA, and this node voltage is VB. So VA minus VB is equal to VAB. So first of all, we have to find this voltage, that is the voltage across this capacitor. So let's copy the circuit from here. Now here we will use voltage division rule. So by using voltage division rule, we will find this voltage. This voltage is VA, the voltage across this capacitor. To find VA, so VA is equal to this voltage, that is 60 at an angle 90 degree, 60 at an angle 90 degree multiplied with this impedance, and it is minus J5. So minus J5 divided by minus J5, then plus this 20 ohm. Now if we solve this in calculator, we get 60 at an angle 90 multiplied with minus J into 5 divided by minus J into 5 plus 20. So it is this much, 14.11. We can convert this into polar form. So shift to 3. It is equal to 14.55. 14.55 at an angle 14.03 degree volt. So this is the answer for VA. VA is equal to this value. Now next, similarly we have to find the value of this VB. So to find VB, again we will use voltage division rule. So VB is equal to this voltage, the input voltage is 60 at an angle 90 degree multiplied with this input resistance or impedance, it is 40 ohm divided by 40 plus J10. So therefore VB is equal to, now again if we solve this, 60 at an angle 90 multiplied with 40 divided by 40 plus J into 10. Now this is in rectangular form, we can convert this into polar form. Shift 2, 3, it is 58.20 at an angle 75.96 degree volt. So we got the answer for VA and VB. Now we can find the value of VAB, which is equal to VA minus VB. So the value of VA is this much. And the value of VB is this much. Now if we solve this, so we get the answer for VAB 14.55 at an angle 14.03 minus 58.20 at an angle 75.96. So it is equal to this much. We can convert this rectangular form to polar form. So shift 2, 3. It is 52.93 at an angle minus 90. And since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. So this is how we can find the value of VAB by using voltage division rule in phasors. And this is how we can find total impedance ZT. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.